Greetings, fellow enthusiasts. Today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of archery and hunting with our highly anticipated video on the best crossbows of 2023. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this video is your ultimate guide to finding the perfect crossbow to elevate your game. Ravin R10. First, we have the Ravin R10 Crossbow Package with HeliCoil Technology. This is a game-changing crossbow that offers a sleek, modern design with a black tactical look and narrow axle-to-axle width. The build quality is top-notch, using premium materials and feeling solid and well-crafted. HeliCoil Technology is Ravin's patented system that perfectly balances cams on both sides of the string, ensuring unparalleled accuracy and power. This system allows for consistent hitting of targets at considerable distances, making it a game-changer for hunters. Additionally, it reduces noise and vibration, making it a great choice for hunters. This Ravin R10 also delivers impressive performance with a 400 feet per second (FPS) speed, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The draw weight is manageable, and the cocking system is easy to use. The included scope is precise and easy to sight in. Safety is a top priority for crossbows, and the R10 offers an anti-dry fire system and automatic safety mechanisms, providing peace of mind in the field. Overall, this Ravin R10 Crossbow Package with HeliCoil Technology is a top-notch crossbow that offers a powerful and reliable weapon for hunting and shooting. PSE Archery 01318KA. Next, we have the PSE Archery Coalition Frontier 380 Crossbow Package in the eye-catching Cryptek Altitude Camouflage, a hunting gear beast. With its stunning design and ability to fit flawlessly into varied hunting locations, making you practically undetectable to your target. This crossbow is a showstopper. It's well-made, offering long-term durability throughout those rigorous hunting seasons. The true star of the show, however, is the tremendous speed it provides, a startling 380 feet per second (FPS). This incredible velocity is supported by a 185-pound draw weight, which may appear intimidating at first, but owing to the incorporated cocking mechanism, it becomes a doable operation. The supplied scope is a dependable companion, offering continuous precision and allowing you to line up your shots with ease. Not to mention the crossbow's easy handling, with an adjustable stock to accommodate users of all sizes and a smooth trigger pull that decreases strain during long hunting sessions. The included accessories, which include bolts, a quiver, and the cocking mechanism, are ideal for both novice and expert hunters. The PSE Archery Coalition Frontier 380 is a formidable challenger that promises not to disappoint if you want to rule the wilderness with precision and stealth. Moving on, we have the Ravin 29X Sniper Crossbow. This is another high-performance, precision hunting crossbow designed for accuracy and power. It boasts bolt velocities of up to 450 feet per second (FPS), making it an excellent choice for long-range shooting. The crossbow's sleek and compact design allows for easy maneuverability in tight hunting situations. And since it is built with high-quality materials, it ensures durability and reliability in the field. Accuracy is another key focus, with a high-quality scope that can be precisely sighted in, providing exceptional accuracy and consistency with each shot. The trigger mechanism is designed for a smooth and crisp pull, enhancing the overall shooting experience. The crossbow also incorporates the HeliCoil Technology, a patented Ravin system that balances the cams on both sides of the string, reducing noise and vibration, making shots quieter and less likely to spook prey. This technology improves the overall accuracy of the crossbow, allowing for precision at extended distances. The Ravin 29X Sniper Crossbow is a top-of-the-line choice for serious hunters and archery enthusiasts, offering a combination of speed, accuracy, and quality construction. The Excalibur Suppressor 400TD comes next. This is an outstanding hunting archery crossbow that combines accuracy, adaptability, durability, and safety, making it an exceptional choice for archery aficionados. It is intended for precision shooting and comes with 30mm scope rings that provide a clean sight image, supporting constant targeting and precise shots even at great distances. The flexibility of the crossbow allows for adaptation to individual tastes, delivering a pleasant and consistent shooting experience. Also, this Excalibur is known for building crossbows that can resist hard circumstances, so the Suppressor 400TD is a dependable alternative for all-weather hunting expeditions. This crossbow prioritizes safety by including safety features to avoid mishaps and ensuring that the crossbow is only discharged when needed. The bundle also includes 4 ProFlight 16.5 arrows and a 4-arrow quiver for easy storage, making it a fantastic value for money. If you're looking for a trustworthy, adaptable crossbow to accompany you on your hunting adventures, the Excalibur Suppressor 400TD is a tempting option that checks all of the boxes. Killer Instinct Fatal X. The Killer Instinct Fatal X. Crossbow with RDC Crank Pro Package, our last pick, is a top-tier, high-performance crossbow that's creating waves in the hunting world. If you're looking for the best narrow-limb crossbow, your quest may have come to an end. This crossbow is intended for professional hunters that want power, precision, and simplicity of use. This Fatal X is distinguished by its slender limb design, which provides various advantages. It has outstanding maneuverability in tight hunting settings, making it a good alternative for hunters who must navigate dense woodlands and constricted places. Plus, the tiny design does not sacrifice power, and it offers arrow speeds that will astound you. On top of that, the RDC Pro Package is a game changer. It streamlines the cocking procedure, making it extremely simple and quiet. This means less fuss on the field and more concentration on your shot. It's a huge benefit, particularly for hunters who value discretion. The Fatal X's accuracy is astounding. The integrated scope and flawless sighting ensure that your shots are always on target. It's critical for ethical hunting and compassionate killings, and this crossbow delivers. Furthermore, it provides a pleasant and ergonomic shooting experience, which reduces tiredness during long hunting sessions. Finally, the Killer Instinct Fatal X Crossbow with RDC Crank Pro Package is a field-proven narrow-limb crossbow.